One unified, dynamic thinking system. GPT-5 seamlessly integrates fast and deep reasoning systems through an intelligent router that dynamically selects the right mode based on input complexity. No more switching manually between models like before. It's a single, unified model for most tasks. 2. State-of-the-art coding and agentic capability in developer-focused benchmarks. GPT-5 achieves record-breaking results, including 74.9% on SWE Bench Verified and 88% on Aider Polyglot. It excels in collaborative coding tasks like bug fixing, explanation, and complex code-based navigation. It also handles multi-step, real-world agentic workflows with remarkable consistency, reducing tool errors and reliably chaining dozens of tool calls. OpenAI. 3. Massive context window and multimodal input. With an enormous 272,000 token context window input and up to 128,000 tokens of output capacity, GPT-5 can maintain coherence over very long documents, conversations, or workflows. It also supports multimodal inputs, text and image, enhancing versatility.